Motorcycle Racing Videos, MRV.
Hey, got one trying to get started a little early there. He got out good. That's Rusty Settle. Boat's got the green flag out. It's a good start. That's Kinkinger, second place. And Sullivan in third.
Oh yeah, don't have that.
And 130, Wesley Settle, your leader out of Illinois. He's looking to put a straightaway lead. Over 04, Cameron Kinkinger from Mount Pleasant, Iowa. Those little fellas are getting around here pretty good tonight. Franklin's looking pretty good shape. Henry Sullivan, white flag out, first time by. That's for Wesley Settle, the leader. Second place, Little Ford Kinkinger. Sullivan really got third spot. Center flag is out. 130, Wesley Settle out of Indiana.